Last year, 21-year-old, I think. Might be on it. Remember, you went to spell the computer. One picture I really want to.
They will be.
Oh, you got it, so.
Tuesday still on which one?
You've got it?
Me and the girls with my coaches.